Hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today's video, I want to guide you how to arrive in Ghana without any problem. So you're a visitor traveling to Ghana for first time or returning visitor who haven't been to Ghana for a long time. This video is going to guide you the arrival process even before departure. So let's take it this way. So you're traveling to Ghana from a country where there's no consulate. What do? There's a visa on arrival. Make sure you print from the consulate site that states that visa on arrival. You don't have visa because there's no consulate in the country of your departure or your country of origin. Yeah, so once you prove that, you depart, you arrive in Ghana. Once you arrive in Ghana, guys, follow the queue, follow the sign. You see this beautiful sign that's welcome you to Ghana. And once you follow that, the first checkpoint, very, very important, they check your yellow card. So if you don't have yellow card, make sure you get this yellow card. You can get this from your health department or your hospitals. I believe in the UK, it's NHS. I don't think it's free, but just check you require yellow fever card when you're traveling to Ghana. And once they check you, the health officials, Ministry of Health, check your yellow fever card. I believe there's 3Q: Ghanaian nationals, all nationals, and I believe business class travelers. And there's also a box there before you go to the immigration counter where they process visa on arrival. So when you arrive, before you join, just after the Ministry of Health, just before you get into the queue of the immigration, look on your right. There will be a counter there where the officers are processing those who are arriving in Ghana. Those who want visa on arrival. Even if you don't know, talk to the amazing Ghana immigration officials. They will help you and make sure you arrive in Ghana, our beautiful country, and able to enjoy these amazing cuisines that you've been watching online. Yeah, so you arrive in Ghana, health check, yellow fever check. Then you don't have a visa, you process visa on arrival. Then after that, you present your passport to the immigration officer. They probably ask you a few questions where you're going. They just want to check whether you're legit, you have a reservation, you know exactly where you're going. Once you get your stamp, go get your luggage. Look on the board, it will display where your flights is this, what's the right word? Where the carousel is for your luggage. Once you complete that, the final check is customs. Customs are there to make sure you're not bringing any illegal items or you're not bringing items that need to be taxed. They ask you, what do you have in your luggage? If you don't have any dodgy stuff, just tell them I just have my clothes and my holiday stuff, some gift items for my families. Pretty simple. Very, very easy. Then once you've done that, there you are. You watching this, it might be culture shock for you, but me and my brothers and sisters, it might not be culture shock. You see a lot of people that look like me there. A lot of people there waiting. They obviously waiting for people arriving or taxi drivers or hotel pickups. So there's a lot of people. Very beautiful. They're smiling. Yeah, people are playing drums. If there's a celebrity arriving, yeah. Walk straight. If you're not waiting for a hotel or if your hotel pickup is there, just look on the board. You see people with paper or board with your names on it, but if you don't and you have no idea where to go, just keep walking just behind the pay booth where you pay for your car park tickets. Just behind that, go straight down there will be taxi drivers. I think they wear blue uniform. Ask them to take you to the closest airport hotel, which is Marriott and the Airport City or Movenpick. And even if you don't want to go far, you can go to the previously owned by Golden Tulip. I don't know what's the name. You can also go to Lancaster Hotel. These hotels are situated in the airport, but if you want to go to the beach, Labadi Beach is just not far from there. So what I'm saying is, after the custom, go get a taxi, ask the taxi driver to take you to these hotels, and then once you get to the hotel, the staffs can help you. But if you're comfortable and you don't want to get a taxi, you want to wait, you want to get SIM card, guys, look on your left. There's a box there, like an electronic box. They will make sure you get your SIM card. This is just a quick video to guide you how to arrive in Ghana. Pretty simple. At the airport, there's ATM. There's ATM. Once you're out of the arrival, look on your left where they're selling the phones and the chargers and making the SIM cards. There's ATM machines. You have to go into a building to use the ATM. No problem. It's just I don't know. They just put an ATM in a building. There's a blue entrance there. You just need to go in there. Most of the ATMs do accept foreign cards. So yeah, so you don't have any problem. So guys, it's just a quick video. I thought this afternoon you might be going to Ghana, but you haven't seen any actual video to explain to you what you need to do when you arrive in Kotoka International Airport. And I believe this video is going to guide you when you arrive in Ghana. But while you're in Ghana, you want to explore, why not you check our Facebook page, GhanaFunTube. We post some amazing content about this beautiful country. Or you can go to the playlist and watch amazing Ghana content. Well guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy Ghana. 2026 is all about educating the public and making sure you have the blast, you have the best time in Ghana. But don't forget, if you have enough time, take a call. 3 hours to Volta Region, or if you want to make it 2 hours, go to Soga Coffee. Enjoy the nature, take a boat ride, eat Accra. Guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy Ghana. If there's any questions, please drop a comment, or you can email me on Emmanuel@Ghanaian. You know, if you want consultation or things to do or to plan your holiday, you know, please do reach us out on Emmanuel@Ghanaian. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy Ghana. That's the energy we keep on the channel. And for those of you watching on Facebook, make sure you share this video. It doesn't cost anything to share, like, subscribe, and also turn your notifications so that you don't miss the next one. Well, the weather has been great. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Who just arrived? Who arrived? Who arrived?